Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video I am going to share with you the Samsung washing machine complete review. So this is the outer look of the washing machine, very decent and very royal look. So you have the transparent lid on the top so that you can see what's going on inside if you are excited to see. And then it gives 3 years of warranty on the complete machine and 12 years of warranty on your motor. And this is 5-star machine, so it's a very best power saving machine for you, so no need to worry for the power. Okay, so now let's jump into the what we get with the washing machine. So this is the board which is going to use when we need to start the washing machine. So that board is attached upper side and it's a very good point for us. So this pipe will be getting with the washing machine. One will be attached to the tab and another will be attached to the washing machine, and then you will be getting a drain pipe here as every machine has. So very easy to just quickly attach and detach the pipe which we are getting with the washing machine. Okay, so let's start with the board which we get here. So this is the washing cycles. Okay, in this we are getting normal, super clean and all. So one by one I'll be going to explaining. So normal one is which everyone uses, so it will be around 50 minutes of that. So normal is the best one, you can use each and every time. Second is super clean, you can use this also, it is as similar as normal one. Quick wash is nothing but you will be using this only for quick washes like towels, handkerchiefs and all, which is not too dirty. Okay, after that we are getting delicate. This is the delicate clothes which we are going to wash in the washing machine, and then aqua pressure, blankets and all. Okay, then jeans material are going to be washing here, and then energy saving, you can also save the machine. And this rinse plus spin you can do in this washing machine. Eco tub clean is nothing but you need to clean your washing tub every 2 months. So now with that button you need to select any option what you want. So here I have selected normal, so red, what we call red color is popping up on the top of every cycle. So here normal has the red color. Okay, I have selected the normal one. Then comes power button which you need to switch on, and then you need to start the washing machine and then start or pause. Okay, after oning the power button you need to do the settings first and then start the machine. Okay, so I have done the settings here. So 3 red colors are getting here. So first will be washing, second will be spinning, third will be draining. So this is clicking one by one. So my machine has taken 40 minutes for washing, cleaning and draining. So for child lock you need to press wash time plus rinse time for 3 seconds so that child lock will be activated. Delay end is nothing but if you are outside and you want 1 hour delay in the washing, then you can add this. And this drain is used just if you need to drain the clothes, you can use only this drain button. So here water level I have used 6, so 6 minutes will be the water level. Level 6 will be the water level. You can use any level, 6 will be better. And then wash time is 18 minutes. You can use any minutes, 30 minutes, 24 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, as you select the water cycles, this times automatically get selected. So if you want, you can just press the button and select of your own choice. Then rinse time, I have selected only one time, and then lastly spin time I have selected 3 minutes, so that it spins 2 to 3 times and the clothes get very much dried. Last 2 buttons are nothing but for the blankets and all. So yeah, this one what I'm showing here is for liquid comfort or vanish, but you need to add liquid in this so that it gives you soothing smell after every wash. And this is the magic tub. In that you need to add powder. I'll be showing this after I'm done with my washing. Okay, so I'm done with my washing here. I have removed this pipe from here, so that I need to put down the cover on the washing machine because the board is outside and it's raining. So in rainy season you need to have the cover. No matter what, you need to have the cover of each and every electronic, guys. And my model number is this. You can note down if you want to. And this is the magic dispenser. Very nice dispenser. It will equate the powder to each and every cloth as it is like a fan. Okay, how the fan circulates the air, it circulates the powder. And this is the interior of the washing machine. It's very nice, guys, very nice. You are getting small holes so that nothing will get stuck in the washing machine. Okay, hope you guys like my review and how to use video after every wash. As we do for semi-automatic, we have to do for fully automatic also. You need to clean the washing machine with the wiper. I have this wipes on my Instagram store. You can just buy from there. It's a very nice cloth, a very nice cloth. It will take all the water, all the moisture from the electronics. Okay, after cleaning, just add the cover. So this is my cover, washing machine cover, and it's very beautiful maroon color flower print. So you need to add this type of cover on the washing machine, not the cotton one or another cloth one. This is Rexin. Okay, and the flower print to look good. And then okay, then thank you so much guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow JCC's Wholesale.